Alright, man, I'm back. Now I'm finna go ahead get this replaced. Right here, I'm about to take that ground wire. They didn't have one on here, so I'm about to take that ground and pretty much mount it on this one. Get this one set up, and shit, we'll see what it do. We'll see if right here this fix the issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this bitch up here. Man, it's crazy because I got a mechanic that pretty much does like majority of a lot of my work. But man, this is just a tip, man. Like one OG said, man, you gotta start yeah, I just want to show y'all this is what the old one look like. Man, sometimes you can save money, man, because I be spending anywhere between $20 and $50 each time, depending on the job, if it's big or bigger, for him to do it. Well, hell, I could be doing this shit like this. Save you money, man, on your Chevy. Alright, man, so we just put it on. Got the plugs and everything back in now. I ain't gonna cut the car all the way on, but I'm just gonna cut it on so if I see if the vents come on. Yeah, I might need it. That shit still ain't working, man. Alright, YouTube, check this out. So I put a new resistor in, a new relay, and a new motor. Still didn't work. So basically, what I found out was it was this, the air control. And the reason I found out, because when I finally started pulling this out, or trying to pull it out, I don't know, whatever part this is right here, they posted one on it, was pretty much hanging from right there. So I was like, okay, so pretty much the thing broke. So I was trying to figure out how to take these off and the ones behind it. And then on top of that, if you can see, I still got that cable right there I gotta take off for the sliders on there. I tried watching a video on YouTube of somebody taking out one similar, and I think in the truck, and pretty much he was letting me know that I can, that if you take this out, it's supposed to be the connectors. The wire is supposed to be here, I can able to unconnect easily and everything. So I can get it pulled out, and I gotta get that cable loose in there to pull it out to get it back right and everything. So that pretty much was basically my issue. It's a couple of y'all I've been hitting up on YouTube, on Instagram, see if I got one. If not, I go to a junkyard to get it. But gotta have it, man. It's gonna get hot. Gotta have the AC blowing in here. So I'll keep y'all posted, man. Keep y'all posted in here and everything. There's everything down there. I got everything still, so we all good with that, man. But yeah, once I get this hooked up, then I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting the AC set up, and then we just go from there. Got a little bit of info, man, when I was telling you about the last video. Pretty much, I think I found out what the issue is. So after I went on ahead and replaced the blower motor, the resistor, and the relay, still ain't getting no answers. So check this out. Let me show y'all. That little piece right there goes to this. It was hanging out. So it seemed like basically it was the panel that was messing up. So went out to a junkyard, found one, looked just like it, identical. Mine's just look a little bit better. Mine's at the bottom, look a little bit better. So I'm gonna try this one, and it should work. I checked for that little part that I had on mine's missing, which you can see right there is under how it's supposed to be. I'm just gonna hook it up first, see if it works. If it works, it's good. Only thing though that got me kind of skeptic about the one I just bought is the little switch right here goes up real easy. You can listen to mine and hear mine's click from each one. So as long as this one works, I'm good. If it works, I'm pretty much just basically just gonna swap that out with mine. Hopefully this one does work. But if it don't work, then hell, I just buy a new one of those. And this, my faceplate, yeah, I'm gonna switch that out and put on there. So it got everything on hook, just like how it's supposed to be. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook this up and we'll see where we go from there. I'll get with y'all in a minute. All right, man, I'm back. I put the one I had bought in to see if it works. So it definitely works. It's just a couple things I need to do. It's only right now blowing out from the top vent, so I gotta figure out why. But I mean, the speeds and everything definitely work on it and everything, so it looks like it's working good. I mean, that's a good thing. Now I just gotta figure out to make it blow through the regular vents and we good and everything. So I'll be back with you in a minute.